I used to take myself out on dates.
Hey y'all, we are on our way to Lenox Mall, and then I gotta go to Morphe to return something because I purchased 2 of the same items. So where is it at? So I'm gonna go and return this to get another lip pencil. And what color is this? This is coffee and kissy. So I'm gonna go into Morphe to return this. Then I'm gonna stop at Crate and Barrel. We supposed to go to Ikea's, then maybe down Lenox Station. So of course I'm gonna bring y'all with me. I'll make sure y'all some outside views since I'm not driving, so I can focus the camera on the outside. I know I'm always driving. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see beautiful Atlanta. I love this here tripod to go with my new camera. I just wanted to jump on here really quick to let y'all know this was my first time ever going to the Morphe store located at the Lenox Mall location. And y'all, let me just say that they have so many affordable makeup brushes. Like, oh my gosh, it's so much different than the online store. But before I go, I just wanted to mention their lip kits are the bomb. I done purchased about 4 or 5 of them. So make sure you subscribe so you won't miss my upcoming Morphe haul, because I got some really, really good stuff. Ikea's, here we go. I gotta try to hold y'all steady. Cause they gonna saying that y'all. You don't wanna see that damn phone. The steps we go. We going this way. Look at the pizza. Oh, look at the mirrors. See, Jemima, you wasn't acting funny. You could have got some drawers for only $40. Nightstand. Oh, y'all, I gotta sit down. Let me call this boy back. Look, y'all. Look. It'll put you right on there.
First of all, who makes videos like that ain't her stuff, y'all.